friends, welcome to Active Education Pro. Today's topic is division part 2. In last class I told you about some basic rules on division. I show you a numerical problem related to division and told some basic rules on division, and today's topic is something new, something hot. I mean division with some more variables, more than one variables. And you can see here, this is the basic rules for division. Variables same, then subtract the power of denominator from the numerator. Okay, so let's start another example with more than one variables. X square y to the power 3 is to divided by xy. Simply we can make it by factorization method. First factorize the numerator and then divided by factorization of denominator. Then x square will be x into x, y cube y into y into y, then divided by x into y. Xy means x into y. Then first cancel y, and then x with an x. Then the remaining result will be x into y into y. It means x y square, y to the power 2, because here y is multiplied for 2 times, that's why y square. And simply, otherwise we can do it x square y cube divided by xy. As per rule here, x square into y cube divided by x into y. In this part, variables same, and in this part, variables same. Here is y. Then we can write here x, variables same, and then subtract the power of denominator from the numerator. Here the power of numerator is 2 and denominator is 1, and then into y 3 minus 1, 2 1, 2 minus 1, 3 1, 3 minus 1, and result will be x to the power 1, need not to write 1, and then y to the power 3 minus 1 is 2. Then the answer is xy square. Okay, again I repeat it. X square y cube divided by xy is equal to x square into y cube divided by x into y. In this part, variables same, x. So as per our division rule, we know if variables are same, then write the variables and subtract the power of denominator from the numerator. Here the power of numerator is 2 and denominator is 1. Then subtract 2 minus 1. As per the same rule, the next part of this function, this calculation, will be write y first and then subtract the power of denominator from the numerator, 3 minus 1. Then as per our previous rule, then subtract the power x 2 minus 1 is 1, then y to the power 3 minus 1 means y to the power square is equal to xy square. Here it is your answer. Another example is x to the power 6, y to the power 6, z to the power 5 divided by x square y cube. X to the power 6 by x to the power square into y to the power 6 by y to the power cube into z to the power 5. We can write like that. Okay. As you know, in addition and subtraction, first we gathered the same like groups in addition and subtraction. Here consisting of same variables we gathered at a place. X to the power 6 minus 2 2. Just simply follow the division rule, nothing more. Okay, x to the power 6 minus 2 into y to the power 6 minus 3, and simply write here z to the power 5, because there are no terms consisting of variable z. So simply write z to the power 5. Then your answer will be x to the power 4 into y to the power 3 and z to the power 5. Answer is x to the power 4, y to the power 3, z to the power 5. It is your answer. Let's take another example consisting of negative powers. First simple example. X to the power 7 divided by x to the power minus 3. Be careful here. Denominator power is positive 7 plus 7 and numerator power is 7 and denominator power is minus 3. But as per our division rule, variables the same and just power to be subtracted. As per division rule, just write the variables and subtract the power of denominator from the numerator. Then first write the power of numerator 7 minus, because you have to subtract. Then here the power of the denominator is minus 3. Then write here minus 3. Again I repeat it. Question is x to the power 7 divided by x to the power minus 3 is equal to, as you know, variable same, then write the variable and subtract. First write the numerator power, then subtract the denominator power. Then first write 7, subtract means putting off a negative sign, then put a negative sign. Then power is minus 3, then 7 minus of minus 3. As per sign rule, you know it very well. When the multiplication of same sign, I mean here multiplication of same sign, negative and negative, it will become positive sign, 7 plus, and the numeric is 3. Then the answer will be x to the power 10. It is your answer, x to the power 10. Another example, x to the power minus 5 divided by x to the power 2. X to the power minus 5 divided by x to the power 2. Then simply write the variable and first write the power of numerator, then put a minus mark, minus sign, then write the power of denominator, then 2. As per sign rule, you know it very well. When addition or subtraction are held between same sign, then the sign will be same, minus. Then add the numeric, 5 plus 2 is 7. X to the power minus 7 is your answer. Another example, m to the power minus 10 divided by n to the power minus 7. Both are of negative sign. Both power are of negative sign. No problem, just simply same variables, then write the variables and first write the power of numerator and then put a sign mark and then write again the power of denominator. Here the power of denominator is minus 7, then put a bracket for minus 7. Otherwise we will confuse for both the negative mark. So always when you write, not for this case, when you write negative numbers, if there is a negative sign before the negative numbers, then always keep the negative numbers with a bracket in the bracket. Then simply m, then minus 10. As per sign rule, just multiply both the negative signs, then it will be plus 7. Here both are of opposite signs, and here is the case of calculation of addition and subtraction. As per sign rule, you know it very well. First point out which is the greater number, 10 or 7. Forget the sign, first follow the sign rule, which is greater, 10 or 7. Just follow the numeric, 10 or 7. Here 10 is greater than 7, then write m. 10 is greater, then sign of greater number, put the sign mark, minus. Then there are consisting of opposite sign, so subtract the numeric. 10 minus 7 is 3. In my previous case, when both the numbers consisting of same sign, I mean minus 5 and minus 2, then add the numeric. 5 plus 2 is 7. But in this case both the numbers are of opposite sign, here minus and here is plus. Then put the sign mark of the greater number, greater numeric, not greater number. Put the sign mark of a greater numeric. Here numeric is 10, greater numeric is 10, greater number. If I tell minus 10 or plus 7, then the greater number will be 7. But here I am telling you repeatedly, greater numeric, minus, no sign marks, only number, I mean only numeric, 10 or 7. 10 is greater than 7, so put the sign mark of 10 minus, then subtract both the number because of opposite sign. 10 minus 7 is 3. Here m to the power minus 3. Okay, in my next video I will tell you division of polynomials. In this video I will tell you division of positive consisting of positive power and negative power. In my next video I will tell you about division of polynomials. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Again I repeat it, please like, share and comment on my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update my video. Thank you for watching my video.